Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to fix TikTok is not showing your videos. So guys, today I will be discussing multiple solutions, so just simply follow along. So for the first solution is just simply opening up your TikTok application into your device. So guys, the first issue, if you ever encounter this one, is you might have uploaded your video into a draft. So guys, you should be able to see your draft on the very first tab on your profile. So you can just simply select on the draft tab and you should be able to see all of your drafts over here. And if you are lucky, you should be able to just simply go ahead and select your video and make it public by tapping on next. And after that, you could just simply select posts over here. So guys, another one is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Play Store into your device, and you can just simply search up for a TikTok application and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app, because sometimes outdated version of the app can cause this issue. So if there is any update over here, you should be able to see it right over here, and instead of open, you should be able to see here update. And to make sure, you can just simply select the three dots on the top right, and you should be able to enable auto update. Or if this doesn't work, you could just simply go ahead and do a simple restart into your device. So guys, a simple restart can solve mostly of your issue.